Hello, welcome to those of you who are looking to get a mortgage, whether it's a purchase or a refinance, without a job. So there are a couple of options available to you, although most of the traditional mortgages, such as FHA, conventional, USDA, VA, do require you to be employed or have a source of income to get approved for the mortgage. Now, if you are unemployed right now and you're not going back to work anytime soon, then here are the options you have without a job. First, if you're purchasing or refinancing an investment property, you don't need a job anyway for that type of a mortgage. Those mortgages do not require you to have a job, and they're not going to look at your income from a job. They're not going to look at your tax returns. So if you're looking to finance an investment property, you're in luck, no job needed. However, I'm assuming that most of you are looking to either purchase or refinance a primary residence. And if that's the case, then your ability to get a mortgage without a job is just a little bit more difficult. So let's assume that you don't have a job, but you don't need one because you have income coming in from other sources, or you have a high net worth. So if you do have high liquid assets, there's a mortgage program that we can help you with, and it's called an asset-based mortgage or an asset depletion loan. If your net liquid assets are equal to or greater than the loan amount that you're looking for, then you can qualify for that type of a mortgage, even for a primary residence, despite the fact that you do not have a job. Okay, so that exists for you. Now, if you don't have a job, but you're going back to work, maybe you were unemployed for a little while, but you are going back, then it can be done soon after you go back, after you've received a couple of pay stubs from your new job. So that's possible. If you're not planning to go back and you don't have a source of income at all and you do not have liquid assets that I discussed 2 minutes ago, then you can still purchase the house, but you're going to need a co-borrower or co-signer to be on the mortgage with you, so that way there's someone there that can have the ability to repay the loan and can therefore get approved for some type of mortgage. So those are your options. If you're not sure where you fall, you just want to talk to someone or want to see what you can get approved for, we can help you with that. You can just follow us down below in the first pinned comments to the link there, and also in the description. We'll help you in both places. Thank you for watching today. If this helped you at all, please hit that like button, and we will be able to help you as soon as you want to reach out to us. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.